Alright, y'all, it's 8:21. I came out after dinner to take trash. This will be my one trash stop. And then Friday night will be my last trash stop for the week because we leave Saturday morning. I really can't make up my mind what time I want to leave because honestly, we can't check in until 4. So I'm wondering, like, do we leave, like around 9 o'clock? And then, arrive like almost close to 1? Or do we just leave? I don't know. I really don't know. But anyways, let me get all this trash out of here and gone so that I can go back home.
Auctions.
Good morning, y'all. Man. So, today's Thursday. My mom drove up and we're back down here in Richmond. So, once she gets what she needs and then we take her to her house, we're gonna go back home. I gotta finish life. I gotta wash and blow dry her hair today.
Why are you recording me?
Girl, anyway.
Look at this.
You look fine.
No.
Anyways, and then after that, we're going to, just double check everything as far as packing and stuff like that. Dude, driving a bicycle with no hands. I ain't that skilled, y'all. But anyways, I wish this place was open right here. Looks like they got like some milk teas, but I guess they're not. Well, we're just gonna decide on Chick-fil-A once you get back home. So it's gonna take us about an hour, 20 minutes to get back home. I might start putting some of the stuff in the trunk today, that way it's out of the living room, but I gotta go back through stuff once again when I get home. So there's a lot of things I have to do, and I plan on getting them done. So I'm gonna leave my hair like this for the next 2 days until we go, because once we get in the water it'll curl up again, and then when we're done with the water I'll make sure that I brush it and just braid it up, that way whatever, and then I'll be sure to pack my straightener, and I guess I'll have to bring my blow dryer just in case, but at least everybody's hair will be done. Good morning, y'all, and welcome to another vlog. This morning, I am going to get ready to make some breakfast. Have a couple things that I need to do today. A lot of things that I need to do today. Sky did my fingers, and she did my toes. First things first, I'm going to get ready to fix some breakfast. So, some eggs, some bacon, some toast, and then get started on Sky's hair. I just have to catch a cab tonight or something. I don't know. She didn't call back. She didn't say that. Hold on.
How are you today? Busy day? We're kind of busy today.
Alright, y'all, just and out of the house for a little bit. We're gonna go into Ulta real quick for Sky, and then I'm gonna go in Kroger because I need to get some juice boxes, and then I guess back home to finish her hair, which I started. Thank you. All right, y'all. So we've been home for about, I would say about 20-30 minutes. We ran into Kroger really quickly and we got the juices. So I got the Capri Sun fruit punch ones, and then I got the Capri Sun strawberry kiwi, or no, I chose not to get strawberry kiwi. I got the Pacific cooler, and then Cam picked up the Boppin' strawberry high seas. I'm gonna put these in the fridge because these are the ones that he picked for here. I'm gonna make a pizza for the kids for lunch, and then eventually I'm gonna sit down and finish her hair, along with washing and blow drying his hair. So I have a lot to do, and then I plan on going over to my grandmother's house around like 3:45, 4 o'clock, just so that we can see them before we head out, as we do on any other trip. Honestly, the house is clean, so that's a good thing. I'm not going to do anything to my hair because we're getting in the water tomorrow, but I did have to call Great Wolf Lodge just now because they had sent me a link where I was to go in and do the pre-check-in. Y'all, I went and added a $400 package for eating, unlimited eats. No thank you. I was like, it was just moving way too fast, and boom, boom, boom. So anyways, with that being said, yeah, went ahead and got everything together and ready. And we're honestly looking forward to our first time ever at Great Wolf Lodge. And then we'll just meet up with the gang Sunday. All right, y'all, so I had to bring the plants over to my grandparents' house so that they can basically water them while I'm gone, because I learned from that lesson last year where I went on vacation, came back, my plants were dead. And it's gonna be hot, so no, I don't wanna leave my plants at home all week and not getting watered. They offered to come over to the house and do it, but my faucet is like all the way around back. And right now they have a car stashed around one of the little, yellow bugs. But anyways, they have a car stashed around back. And it'd be hard to kind of get in and out of there every day. So, all right, y'all. So it is 8 o'clock. Finally going home. Cam needed something to eat, so we ran to McDonald's real quick, me, my grandfather, and Sky. I have to go home and shave because I know I'm not going to want to do it tomorrow morning before we leave out, because I want to make sure, everything's clean. So I have to check my list again, see what things need to be done. I know I need to go home and vacuum, and I know I need to go home and do a sweep, but I also need to fold some clothes and get those put away. And so Cam will be home in the morning before we head out. We're not going to leave until probably 11 because we, can't check into our room at Great Wolf until 4. So I'll catch you guys in the next vlog, which is us going to Great Wolf Lodge.
We came to party all night long.